Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Stripe dashboard access with verification steps, full guide step by step clearly. To restore access to your Stripe dashboard, begin by navigating to the Stripe login page. Click on the Forgot Password link beneath the login fields. Enter the email address linked to your Stripe account in the provided box. Check your inbox for an email from Stripe with instructions to reset your password. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets Stripe's security requirements. After setting your new password, return to the Stripe login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter a verification code. Locate the two-factor authentication method you set up, such as SMS or an authentication app. Retrieve the verification code and input it into. Once authenticated, you will gain access to your Stripe dashboard. If you encounter any issues with two-factor authentication, click on the Having Trouble link. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity using alternative methods. If necessary, submit a support request to Stripe for further assistance. Once your identity is verified, you should regain access to your dashboard. Regularly update your password and ensure your contact details are current for future security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.